Let's build a classic snake game using Arduino. It uses a joystick for control and a buzzer for sound effects. Eat food, grow longer, and avoid crashing into yourself. You only need a few simple components: an Arduino, LED matrix, joystick, and a buzzer. Connect everything based on the wiring diagram. Once done, you're ready to upload the code. Upload the snake game code to your Arduino. Use the joystick to control the snake direction. When the snake eats, it grows and plays a sound. If it hits itself, the game is over. Sound effects make it feel like a real game. You can easily fix reversed controls in the code. Check the full code and wiring in the description.